Because I want to talk about this. Like,
How does that happen?
Is it like a little mini tornado for a second?
Can I just, because do we not see those a lot in Pennsylvania? I haven't seen one in a while now that I'm thinking about it.
I've never
remember growing up with that. No.
Okay, all right. So they do happen a lot down in the South. A lot of times I mean, technically it is a vortex, but it's not a mini. You said mini tornado. It's really caused on sunny days, kind of like what you saw there. A lot of times, especially when you have a lot of dirt next to grassy areas and you get these really big temperature differences or just a little bit of a temperature difference, those winds will kick up and do exactly that. So I guess more in the south, more southern areas. And, you know, one of the things that I would say also probably the flat conditions probably does help, and we have a lot of hills around here, so that might be one of the reasons why we don't see as many dirt devils as what you kind of saw there. All right, let's get to our forecast here on what's going on. 53 is your temperature. I know John over there, he's seen his share of a few over in the Kentucky area. He's ignoring me right now. He's working on his traffic graphics and laughing. I know you're talking, you hear me. Winds are out of the north at 9 miles an hour. The dew point coming in at 42 degrees. Here's a look at those temperatures for you this morning. 49 at Zealy and Opal, Butler at 50 degrees, Irwin 55, and Washington 52 degrees. Hey, let's talk about your forecast because we did have a cold front that rolled through over the last few hours. Not really feeling much of an impact this morning. Our temperatures are still pretty warm. Our high temperature today, though, is going to be about 10 degrees colder than it was yesterday. And overnight tonight, we are expecting frost to be possible as that cold air kind of settles in. We're also going to see some hazy conditions this afternoon because of what we saw. Hazy conditions this afternoon because of the wildfires over into the Edmonton area again, similar to what we saw last week. That will be back. All right, so we do have a freeze watch in effect. This is not for this morning. This is for tomorrow morning when that cold air really would have settled in place. Here's a look at those morning lows that we are expecting to see. A number of places well into the 30s, even the possibility up in the Franklin, the Clarion area that you could fall into temperatures below freezing on Thursday morning. So it's a colder air mass that's in place. Cold fronts through. We are looking at dry conditions, sunny conditions for the day. The issue is going to be, and I'll zoom all the way out, you can see the Edmonton area, all of those wildfires, that haze coming in from that heading our way. So we are looking at kind of some hazy conditions today being possible for that. Hey, high temperatures today still into the mid to low 60s, 63 in Pittsburgh. Here's how we do it. 2 o'clock 61, 63 at 5, and your 8 o'clock temperature coming in at right there at about 60 degrees. Here's your 7-day. Our next chance for some rain comes late on Friday. Here's the good news. Most, if not all, the rain should be out of here by the time the sun's coming up on Saturday. Saturday's looking fantastic. High temperature similar to today. Will be cooler than Friday. High temperature on Saturday, 70 and 75, your Sunday high.